Good morning to all traders and welcome to another market insights video provided to you by Orbex. Today is Thursday, 11th of July, and we have Mr. Powell's sending dollar lower. He was dovish, more dovish than expected from the markets, but not from my perspective. I was expecting him to be dovish. I don't believe there's going to be a hold, definitely not a hike. I believe at the end of July we're going to see 25 points cut by the Fed. That's why the dollar was pushed, let go to lower levels. Everything actually went back against it. Now, at the same time, we have Mr. Trump also threatening Iran with new sanctions now because they apparently break compliance rules in terms of their nuclear program. What we're going to do today, okay, because we have an interesting day for the pound. We're expecting the BOE governor currently to speak, as well as the stability report, very important one for the day. Later, of course, we'll have new housing price index, the CPI in the US, and initial jobless claims, second testimony of Fed Powell, and a lot of speakers from Fed and FOMC. They are going to most likely validate everybody's fears, okay, that the Fed is indeed most likely going to cut. What I want to do today is go, because it's actually Thursday and we're speaking about minors, I want to go and talk about pound yen and also euro kiwi. Very, very good opportunities, both of them. On the daily, on the pound yen, we're still moving in an ABC pattern, okay, so we are actually looking at moving in the medium term up. We're looking to correct to wave B and then move for wave C. That could actually even end a little bit higher to complete this corrective pattern. On the 4-hour, how this is likely to happen, right? So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and from there we'll have the correction A, B, C within an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this impulse should be a minor. Ignore the brackets. I just probably just forgot to change the labeling. So we're looking at another 5-wave move to the downside to complete the wave 5. How is this likely to happen? And this is what I see from wave 4, and then we're waiting for wave 5. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, these few last moves, this looks like an ending triangle to me. So we've got ABC, 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 ABC. This last wave seems to be ending, okay, with impulse to the downside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At the moment, we are looking at wave 4. Okay, so once we reach 135, 50 or so, or even at this level, we're looking for a last wave to the downside and then shooting all the way up. Okay. Euro kiwi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C, similar pattern. Okay, we're still in a corrective pattern, but very much closer to ending wave C. We are expecting an impulse to the upside, and that is going to either end around 173.54 for a double top and truncation, or we're going to see prices actually coming all the way up to 175 or so. Now, here we are also moving in an open triangle pattern, okay, and we have completed wave 4. The question is this going to be the last, is there going to be another move to the downside? Well, the chances are not too bad. You know, we could see this ending as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, prices moving lower, and we'll just pretty much just move our trend line a little bit. That's still the case, but because this looks like as an impulsive move, okay, we're now looking for a we completed the A, we're looking for a correction to the B, and then all the way up to complete wave C, okay? Now, if you ask me, I see this break outside this open triangle as a throwback. We're expecting prices to correct down to the 61 or 78.6 and then shoot all the way up. We could see prices moving all the way here down to 168, but the chances of this happening, they are not too many. Nevertheless, I would pay attention on those two opportunities because in the medium term, they offer an amazing opportunity, both of those. So expect for the correction and then shooting higher on both pairs. As for today, I would pay attention on Fletcher's testimony, the second one, and what's happening in the UK. I want to thank you for being with us for another day, and always urge you to visit our blog, is where we'll cover the latest news, publish trading ideas, and provide all the necessary tools a trader needs.